Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 1 hour time frame and looking at Bitcoin today and starting the counts again from these lows of October 13th. So again on the higher time frames you can check out, or for the higher time frames you can check out the weekend's video. Nothing has changed in that department. So the idea on local time frame is that we have few different variations. Most of them are saying that we have this as some kind of ABC, whether that ABC is finished in one of these peaks or we are still within trying to create that potential fifth is the open-ended questions. In this one, the option 1 is that we would have a double zigzag into wave 1, ABC into 2, ABC into 3, ABC into 4, and then we are looking for one more high to create this diagram. In validation at these lows of wave 2 around 19.9k. It is a bit less likely to be the case at the moment because we would be expecting a partner leg here, and for that to be the case we would need to be extending quite far up, which is again making this a bit less likely to be the count. Again, 1.618 at least to be even taking out the highs of third wave. If we are pumping higher than the 21.52 that we have 21.55 that we have up in here, it is going to be invalidated in this as well, as at that point the wave 3 would be the smallest structure. Then we are looking at this possibility where we would have a fifth already complete. This is the way to label it if you want to do so. There is definitely a possibility for that. We would be having double divergence against these highs, so that is definitely still a possibility. On RSI, we are very compressed now, anticipating for a move up or down. We don't know about that yet. We can see clearly that as RSI is also compressing, we can see that volume is overall declining here until most likely today's FOMC. So again, that is going to be a very volatile area. In this one, again, if we are placing or ending the count up in here, we could be labeling this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as an expanding leading diagonal into wave 1, and then looking for that wave 2. Possibly doing something like this would be the best idea here. It's getting a partner leg for this one here, and then dump. Then we head to the triangle count, in which again is still valid. In this one, again, the wave 4 of this 1, 2, 3, 4 would be having that triangle. Again, this very compressed structure is giving this a very good possibility. However, again, we need to be adjusting this a bit now, as this has not respected the trend line completely. We have not really broken through it. We've just had wicks on here. So if we want to be having this C wave down here still at this low of that 31st, then we just need to be modifying this a bit, this trend line, and pulling it down a bit. So overall, it is also possible that this wave D is not going to be creating another structure like this that we had originally thought, but instead we would have this as an ABC inside here for that D wave. And at that point, again, D wave would be here, and then we would be getting this as the E here, and then we would be continuing for the fifth upwards. So that is the main idea here. Again, very compressed on the RSI, so I feel like this is a bit more likely than creating this D wave up in here anymore. So let me just relabel this a bit here, and again we would be looking to go long against this low here, and I'm probably going to take that after this video. Then we of course had just a basic ABC here up into these highs. We can't really have a count end here if we want to be looking at the more bearish counts where we would be expecting a five-way structure of these highs, because again this has taken out these highs here. So something that I'm expecting is creating a connector wave structure in here, connecting this original move to the next up in here, again after this connector structure has been formed. It is completely possible that we are creating some kind of a WXY or ABC here. This definitely feels like it is compressing again as well, same as we have here on higher time frame all the way from here. So we'll see which one of these is going to be playing out. Today is going to be the day. I feel like this is going to be resolved with the FOMC meeting minutes, And yeah, that is definitely a high volatility area. So definitely check out all the possibilities that we have here and play against the lows that have invalidations for those counts. So I think that is pretty much all the things I wanted to say on Bitcoin for today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Links to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.